Hey guys, welcome back to my
My hair's
channel.
a mess.
Oh well, mine is.
We just
too.
woke up, so.
We just woke up. You know, we just wake up and we make a video. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing, we're going to be like picking slimes and then fixing them. We have a hat full of numbers, and there's slimes lined up, 1 to 10.
See.
Well, not fully lined up,
So,
1 to 10. But.
See? And then we, don't mind over here, this was our snack for last night. And then we have all of our ingredients that we're going to use. And I'm going to push all this stuff to the side. And those are our ingredients. We have shaving cream, lotion, and contact solution.
Yeah, like just in case the.
And then we have our boards
it's upside
right
down.
here. And we have our boards right here.
Y'all see the slime whenever we start playing with it, but
Yes.
if we,
Oh, and these two are mine.
yeah, all of the rest of them are mine.
Yes. And I'm going to go first because, you know, I'm just going to go first. I think.
Yeah, and also because she's the guest.
Yeah.
Like on my channel. So.
This is 9, the new 9. Okay, the new one. Maybe I can
This
make
one's not crumbled. I knew it was. Neither is this one. That one's 3 too.
just pick one. It's fine. Just pick one. Doesn't matter. Just pick one. Okay, just pick one. You got 2. That's 8, 6, 5.
One.
That's 10. That has to be 2.
Yeah, that's 2.
Here. Give me the number. 3.
No, that's 6.
6,
7. This
3.
one's 3.
It's gone. Okay. What is that? Okay.
4.
I'm pretty sure it's.
I think it's this one.
Look at all of them. That's 6, 10, 7, 1,
This is mine.
2. Yep, that has to be 4 because I
Yeah.
have 3. I have these 2. My turn. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm just gonna go for this 1.
Dang it.
Yay!
Oh well.
Hey,
Yeah.
you still have that one. You still have number 10.
True.
So, you will never know. Just pick one. You already saw 5.
Yeah.
This is 5. You get the jelly cube one.
Yay! Okay, I like the jelly cube one.
So it's okay. Hey, I get this one. Yay. Go. Thank you. Ten, you get this one.
Yay!
I told you still have a. That's what's good. Okay, we have these 2 now. I hope I get that one.
Well, they're both actually kind of good. So.
6. That means just grab that one because you already have that one.
I already know I'm getting that one. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So count if you have 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
I have
the
5.
first one that I have, I'm just going to show you in the container. It's called confetti slime. It is white with a whole bunch of sparkles.
to smallest to biggest. So.
No, I'm just showing you and then I'm taking them out. So yeah, you already saw this one. It's white and it has like rainbow sparkles in it.
And they'll be able to actually see.
Okay, what's my phone? Right now it is 11:31. We have not ate lunch yet because my mom is at the doctor's with my dad.
So.
And she's gonna be here till like 4:30, so we're probably gonna make a whole bunch of videos.
Yeah. So. Be ready, guys.
She won't be able to post lately on me because we have school tomorrow. So yeah.
Well, tomorrow's a school night.
Yeah. You mean tonight?
Oh yeah, tonight's a school night.
Yeah. This is so sticky, but I can fix it. Why are you taking it out? You're gonna show them.
I'm gonna show them outside of the camera though.
Oh. And then this is my next little one. You know what? This is my little list. Okay, so this is the one that I'm doing right now. It's like teal with, it's like a tealish green.
I'm really making out. Oh.
Were you kind of sad that you got the little version of this? Yeah, at least you still got it.
We need something to hold this down like this, because it doesn't stay.
Is that good?
We don't know if they can see the slimes.
It's not that. Is that too buffy?
They can only see your box.
There we go.
There! I don't think we need this now.
No, I think it's fine. Okay, I'm going to put some, so this is mine. It is like a greenish with, it's just like green and it is cloud slime. And it is called, I can't remember any of these names because what's this one called?
I remember this one.
Sky blue. That one's sky blue.
No, this one isn't.
Yes, it is.
Sky blues, this one.
Yeah.
This one's mermaid
Mermaid.
corn.
Yeah.
Mermaid corn. This
Right.
one's mermaid corn.
And then
That one is
swamp water. Ocean water. Ocean highs.
I had a name for it, but it just like went away.
Ocean water.
Bath bomb. Cause look.
Sure. Cupcake bath bomb. I'm going to put some lotion in this one.
Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm going to add some shaving.
And I have more
foam.
lotion just in case we run out. But I do not have any more of that.
It looks like a little whipped cream thing in the.
But guess what? This time you don't have to be quiet because it's in the afternoon.
Oh.
I know I put it there. We rub it out. We're weird.
Yeah.
Don't mind the music in the background. My sisters are cleaning. I don't have to clean because I have a guest over. You can leave without me. Oh, goodness. What?
It's not mixing.
I think you can't add too you can't add too much shaving cream to something like that. You added way too much, or it won't work.
No, it's mixing now. Okay, yeah, it's mixing now.
That would be like me adding a whole cup of shaving cream to this.
But I didn't add very much. See, I added that much.
No, you added way more.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Well, it's mixing right now, so that's a good thing. I can get copyright for this
Why?
because there's music. We'll hope you guys, you can't hear it.
Because it's really quiet. We can barely hear it. Like when we're talking, we can't even hear it.
No.
So, let's just keep talking.
Well, except for when we're doing ASMRs.
Is Mars.
You know what?
No, you have the jelly cube one. Can I just do the crunching jelly cube one, please? Can I just crunch the jelly cubes?
You can't crunch. You can crunch one
Like one what?
jelly cube.
Yeah, that's what I'm meaning.
Yeah.
Because have you posted the one from yesterday? Last night? Well, last night we made one. And
We're not gonna post that one because you couldn't even see us.
but last night we made one, but it was not that good. So, we made one, and
So this is.
the jelly cube was so satisfying.
No, I think that one was the unislime.
No, that one was. 'Cause you didn't-
No, because I have a name for this.
What was that one?
This one's called Unicorn Magic.
I think it was this one.
Yeah, it's that one.
This is mermaid corn. I'm trying to get this off my hands. Okay, so this is what this one looks like, and I think I'm gonna go on to the next one. Woo! Look how much stretchier this is.
The music stopped.
Or my sister's trying to find a new song.
Yeah, either that.
I don't really want to put my confetti one, but I have to.
No, that's how it works. You gotta try and fix it.
I know.
Oh,
Okay, so here's this one. It's really, really hard. So I'm gonna like put some lotion in it. I'm gonna put some foamy, some whatever it's called, whatever.
shaving cream.
Shaving cream, yeah. So here it is. It's white with confetti, and then hers is
This is your slime. I don't know what it's called.
oh yeah. Tell them what the color is.
Oh, this is like a purplish, bluish, and it has purple beads, dark purple beads.
And this one's called Purple Monster.
Purple monster. Okay. Mine is called Purple Nerds. So, well, Grape Nerds.
I'm probably gonna go to this one, then the biggest one, and then we're gonna put the names in the hat again, and then draw out more numbers so we can keep this video going.
We should have done this on the floor.
Why? No,
There's not very much room.
I think it's fine.
I mean, we could take off that desk.
No, it's not really a bed desk. It hangs up on my wall.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like, is it actually a bed desk?
There is a such thing as bed desk, though.
Yeah.
But I just call it a bed desk because it works. Oh. Hey,
No, I'm gonna pull it, and then
No.
you're.
I have an idea. It's fine. I don't really care. I'm lotion in my mouth now.
Ew.
And I think it tastes pretty good. I need the shaving cream after you. What? 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 Oh my. No. Look, Cameron. My gosh, I got my hands. I'm just washing my hands. Cameron.
You should have added lotion
I did.
before that.
I added lotion before my shaving cream.
No, like a lot of lotion though.
I did.
Really?
Yes. Well, this one's dead.
Well, actually, just try and keep mixing it, and if it doesn't, then it's just gonna go into the trash.
Yeah, it's not mixing. It's not mixing at all.
It's not sticking anymore.
No, it's not.
So you need to melt it.
Well, how?
Do you have hair gel?
It's fine, I'm just gonna put this one up. so I'm done with that one.
I'm done with mine too.
I need something that I don't care about. Ow. This could be something that I don't care about. It's too small on me anyways. And I can just wash it. So this can be our paper towel.
Okay.
And the next one that I have is this one.
Next one I have is this one, and this is called Blue Sky, right? Shoot.
Okay, and this one is, this one's really like blue. It has white beads in it. And what is it called?
Blue Nerds. Sounds Blue Nerds.
So this one's Blue Nerds. I'm probably not going to be playing with this one for long.
Why?
The beads keep falling out onto my bed.
Go on here then. Well, you have to put lotion into it too.
Mine actually has stuff in it. Yours don't.
Yeah, that's why mine's Gen tape. Where's the one that I used yesterday?
That one.
No, I used this one yesterday. Use this one.
Well, you're not getting it. Just so you know, I'm not that mean.
No.
Whenever we do this, we're just playing. Or are we?
Dun dun dun. I wouldn't hang out with her if you were mean.
What?
I wouldn't hang out with you if you were really mean.
Yeah, I know.
Why would I be hanging out with you? Like that.
Oh.
Did you see it in the camera?
I'm going to have to use a lot of compact solution for this one.
Why?
It's really sticky. So is mine.
That one's sticky,
Yes.
but it's super hard to stretch. Right?
Not this one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh.
There we go. This is really easy to stretch. And I'm done with this one.
I'm just gonna mix this in and then I'm going to be done.
So, I have baked all over my hands. Oh well, who good? Okay, so this one is light pink. A purple
Okay,
is
I'm
light
done with
pink.
mine.
And what's this one called? So here's this one. This one's just regular glue with like purplish pink food coloring in it.
Which one?
The circle one. I kind of realized I should have done this one next after this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh well. I thought this one had more, that's why.
Okay. This could do a little lotion.
Where did it go? Where did it fly? Oh.
Oh, it looks like a little heart.
No, it does not.
Yeah, look. Oh well. Bye-bye, heart.
I have more lotion because that lotion's running out.
Why is that so zoomed in?
Okay.
How come? Oh, there we go.
Sorry, guys.
Why was it so zoomed in?
Yeah. Why was it?
But it like zoomed into my shoulder and into your face.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It must have been my ghost.
Oh yeah, I forgot about him. There's actually a ghost that lives in our house.
Not anymore. I actually don't know. No one knows if he's still here or not.
Where?
But my washer automatically starts by itself.
Is that why you think he's still here?
Yep. Because no one's down there whenever it starts by itself. My back hurts.
So is mine.
I think we're going to transfer it to the ground. Want to?
Kind of.
Okay, so first
I'm gonna get you guys.
yeah. Okay. So you guys are gonna be sitting right here, and I'm gonna be sitting right here. We need to go get the slimes.
Yes, we do. So we will be right back, guys.
My bed's such a mess. Are you coming? Could you grab the shading cream?
Yep.
Because if I can get all my slimes, you can get all your slimes. So, I will be right back. I'm going to get the hat and my phone. Okay, so we are back. And I have my hat full of numbers, but we're not doing that yet.
No. It needs to be labeled at the slimes.
I know, but it's fine now. Okay, play with your slime. This can do some lotion. It's almost gone. Oh, okay.
So there's no more of that?
It's almost gone.
Okay.
You just have to like dump it. Yeah, like that. But I have more lotion, I'm pretty sure.
Do you want to get it just in case?
In a second. Oh, and I need to go get the rag.
Oh, yeah.
So the rag is going to be right here. And again, don't mind my closet.
I can't really see the closet anymore, but you know.
I'll be right back. I'm going to get the other things I have in there now.
Oh, yep.
And it is full. So we got some new lotion. I'm gonna start with it. Let's see how it smells.
It smells good.
Let's put those two on this side and these two on that side. I will take some of this,
Why is it sticky?
kind of. Oh, look how smooth it is. can make each other a sandwich.
You know why this one's so weird?
Why?
It's because I mixed I mixed 3 slimes together. 1 cloud slime, 1 normal slime, 1 flaky slime.
Flaky?
Like, you know those pokey things?
I never heard of flaky.
Flake.
Oh, I never heard of that.
Like, you know those pokey things we say?
Oh, yeah. Shoot. It got right on my floor, but I got it off.
Okay, so the cloud slime was a white slime. And then I made these all right before I came. And then I mixed them, and then I came.
Is that what took you so long?
Yeah.
You could have done all that here.
You know. I barely had any glue, though, so.
Okay, I'm done with this one. I'm moving on to my favorite one.
I'm moving on to.
The jelly cube slime.
Didn't know.
Yes, I did. I said you got the jelly cube slime. Can I crunch a jelly cube?
Not yet.
Okay.
It looked a lot better when the jelly cubes weren't all crunched.
Hey, it wasn't just me that crunched them.
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, it looked a lot better.
Yeah, I know. But it's still really pretty. I'm going to add some of this lotion in.
Oh, yeah, by the way, this is Grape Crunch, and it's like a pink, purplish color.
And then this is, I can't remember this one. This one is Grape
Which one is
Nerds.
that?
Grape Nerds.
Which one? Oh, yeah, that one's Grape Nerds.
Yeah. And I just added the new lotion in it, so let's see how this turns out.
Oh, no. It became super sticky.
I can put contact solution in it,
Yeah, but you barely had to cut that close to that.
and that's not good. It was already sticky before.
Then why'd you add more?
Because I wanted to see how it worked.
It looks like somebody decapitated my head.
What's the point of doing it now? Because they know. So, I guess I'm not doing it.
Well, you can do it again.
No, but they know.
Well, yeah, but it will still satisfy them.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Why?
Yes, I just don't want to. I want to play with my
What do
slime.
you guys want to drink from Sonic?
Sweet tea.
I'll just have a Pepsi, I guess.
They don't have Pepsi. Do you want Dr.
Oh.
Pepper?
Sure.
Have you ever went to Sonic?
Yeah. But there is no Pepsi.
You almost got slime on my thing, shirt. You want to FaceTime Kinsey?
Sure.
Okay.
So, guys, today we're going to be FaceTiming someone.
If she answers.
If she answers.
Do you want to FaceTime me and Cameron and our YouTube video? And our slime, and slime. What? What? I told you that you're going to be here till like 3:30 or 4:30.
Okay.
so she knows already. We should put this up in a minute.
Oh, this looks like a miniature jelly cube slime.
Because it is.
Be quiet.
Because my mom's going to be
Hey,
here.
do you have an extra container?
Why? For me?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
I mean, why not? Remember last night?
What?
Those. We were trying to be quiet. Thank you, bro. The taste of your lips
Oh. I can't. I'm out. Okay. I have this container that's very, very wet because of the slime.
Oh, yeah.
It's just so satisfying. We've been making this video for 31 minutes.
Because we've been doing ASMR.
Shoot. What? Why am I getting your hand? This is how much I don't care about this.
That smells like rotten eggs. Ah.
That's why. Hi.
Yeah, she lives right by the sewers, so.
No, I
Just
don't.
joking. There's a sewer pipe right back there, though.
Why would there be a sewer pipe in my room?
Not in your room, outside.
Oh, I'm like, why would there be a sewer pipe out in my room?
I'm not crazy.
Can I have my slime back, please? There you go. Let's trade. You give me more?
Why not?
Well, now I have more of this than my favorite one.
Well, you like that one.
Yeah, I like that one more though, but I'll still play with this one. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't have to give me more. You're like, no one else is gonna want it.
You know how much slime I give my friends?
What?
I give them, like, all my slimes, pretty much.
Thank you.
Yeah. And also, I can make more of this at home, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna play with mine. I'm playing with mine. You want to go ahead and start picking up the slimes because my mom's at...
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a big thumbs up. Bye, everybody. Have a good day, or night, or afternoon. Bye, or morning.